Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these beautiful clips we've got here. We've got these guys, they are in their school. This is another clip. We've got these guys, they're playing video games. This is another short clip. This is another one. We've got these girls, they are in a restaurant. This is another clip. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is a soft brush you can use for your body. It's really helpful. This is another beautiful apartment. We've got this small shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. And this is a small trash bin. It's a smart trash bin. It's really helpful.
天猫精灵，打印英语作业。
This is a printer, you can use a phone. And this is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. It's really cool. These are paper bags you can use for your stuff in the fridge. You can use them for vegetables and fruits. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. This is a small washing machine. It's really cool. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.